Hello everyone. I'm going to cook lentil. It's very delicious and very healthy with pork and pork rinds. It's delicious and also I add vegetable kale. First, you have to add oil and stir fry the garlic and onions and stir it. And then after that, I boiled the pork meat and then slice a little bit and you have to add it and stir it. And stir it until it turns brown. When the meat is turned brown, you have to add the lentil. Lentil is kind of beans and flat like mongoose. But first you have to boil it until it gets soft, and then with water and add it. And then you have to add additional more water so it gets soft easy, and then boil it. It's very delicious, this kind of vegetable or beans, very delicious and very healthy. You have to try, guys. It's so yummy. You can add sweet potato leaves, bitter melon leaves, or whatever, spinach. So you can add that. So you have to stir fry it, and then you have to add more water. And also I add vegetable, green vegetable, leafy vegetable is kale, so it make healthier. So thank you so much. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment and share if you like my video. And pork rinds, you have chicharron, or they call pork rinds. And also thank you for watching. And also I add nor seasoning or soy sauce, little bit, sprinkle only. And to all my silent viewers, thank you so much. Salt to taste, like 1 tablespoon of salt or soy sauce or fish sauce if you want to. So now our food is ready to serve. We eat this normally in the Philippines with rice. Very simple recipe and healthy and very delicious. Subscribe. Please don't forget to push the notifications so every time I upload my video, always update you.